Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you make accounts in different currencies in Wise, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open our Play Store or App Store to make sure we have the Wise application updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, we can quit the store now and let's open Wise. Of course, you have to wait for the app to fully load up, and again, you have to be logged into your account. As you can see guys, I already have multiple currency accounts and it is very easy to process and to go through this process. You simply swipe right through your currencies and you find this plus button right next to open. Go ahead and tap on it and here choose balance, this button right here. And now from here choose the currency that you want to open an account in, or you can simply use the search box in the top to make it easier for you to choose or find the currency that you are looking for. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it and voila, it is as easy as that guys. You have now created multiple currency accounts on your Wise account. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.